Haircuts. I've already given myself one. So, I just have this animal now to torture. We can do bangs. Let's get that forehead hair. Don't move, you'll die. Beautiful, gorgeous. Oh, that is absolutely gorgeous. You're looking great. You're doing great, honey. Oh, that is fantastic. You look amazing, better than ever before. Let's do a little bit. Let's get a different pair of scissors. How about that? Does that look good? Do you like that? Oh no, it's okay, it's okay. You look great, you look great. I'll give you some more pineapple, okay. Okay. Okay, that's enough pineapple. Let's do some more in the front. Oh, that's... Uh-oh. Oh, no. You look great, you look great, you look great. Oh, princess, you're so... How about that? You like that? Okay, we're gonna comb up a little bit. And then we're just gonna... Oh, no, don't bite my finger. I don't have pineapple. You get pineapple? Okay, just wait. Oh, no. Indent in the head. It looks so bad. No, you don't. You look so good. You look so good. Let's do this side. Can I? All right, don't push the scissors. That's not safe. Oh, is that your flesh? I don't want to cut your flesh. We'll just stick to the head. Maybe a little over here. Oh. Oh, this feels like animal abuse. Oh, it just looks like you have holes. Do you want some more pineapple? I'll get you some more pineapple. Oh, we're saying no to the pineapple? Wow, you must really be upset. You look really good. Gorgeous. Is this your flesh? I'm squeezing it. Do you feel that? Is this your flesh? Or is this like, hey, don't jump. Don't jump. You're getting a haircut. I'm not loving the ridge in the back. I don't know where you got that. Probably from a haircut I gave you a couple of years ago and it never grew back normally. Uh-oh. It's okay, you couldn't even tell. You look so good. You're serving this. You're so pretty. You're so pretty. Minimizing the grays. Oopsies, you look so good. You look so good though. You look so fantastic. Oh my God. You look 20 years younger. Maybe we'll take you outside. Maybe you can go outside. You can enjoy the sunshine with your new haircut. Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry that I got bored and did this. You look so good. I think that's all we're gonna do.